Hey everyone, I'm Danny and welcome to Wizardry Workshop. In today's video, we are doing the Harry Potter All Hallows Eve box swap. Now, this was organized by 𝗵𝘆𝗀𝗀𝗀, as well as Geeking Out with 𝗠𝗵𝗆𝗆 here on YouTube. They're also over on Instagram. I'm gonna link all that below. There's a ton of other people in the Harry Potter magical YouTube Instagram community who took place in this box swap. All of their channels are linked below, so go check out their videos after you watch this one. We are given a random name out of the people participating in this box swap, and we just kind of curate a box for that person based on a specific theme with some specific requirements. The requirements for this box was a $100 minimum before shipping. Everything in the box has to be individually wrapped. We also needed to have a Lumos themed item, which is basically anything that lights up, a candle, some type of light. Halloween at Hogwarts, a decor that can be used for Halloween or just for fun. Magical creature theme, so an item that has something to do with a magical creature. And then enchantment, which is a mystery item of your choice. And we also get to see basically like a personal sheet for the person who we get, where it says things they like, candy flavors, smells, items that they don't really collect, items they do like to collect, that type of stuff. Favorite characters from Harry Potter. So based on all of that, we put together a mystery box and ship it to our mystery person. Nobody knows who sent them a box until we receive it and open it and all that good stuff. My mystery person that I received this year was 𝗂𝗍 Christensen here on YouTube and Instagram. So obviously she's linked below too. So check out her opening the box that I sent. That is enough blathering from me though. I received my box from the Bearded Barbarian, and he does a lot of videos on YouTube for Funko Pops and unboxings and other really fun stuff like that. And it's not all Harry Potter themed, so that's a really cool thing. He does other fandoms and stuff and has very cool interests, very similar interests to a lot of us. So go ahead and check out his channel. I'm gonna get this box opened though, because that's what we're all here for. Here is the packaging. Lots of nice stickers. We got Owl Post Service, please feed owl upon delivery. It says liquid, so I'm guessing there's a potion in here. I'm just gonna let you see some of the other sides. We've got a Ministry of Magic, Charmed, All Hallows Eve. This was handwritten, packed by elves. Owl Post, also handwritten. It just looks like a large Owl Post box. So let's get this open. So right on the top of the box, there is a note that says, look for open first box. Oh, cool. And right here, we've got some stuff. I like this. So right on the inside flap, this is really creative. We've got some stickers for Hufflepuff, because I am a Hufflepuff. We've also got a pin right here. So that's cool to put stuff in there as sort of part of the decoration, but they're also items. These are like stickers and stuff, so that's really creative. Let's see the other side. Hufflepuff image right there. And then we've got even more stuff. This is a really well thought out box. I don't believe that mine was quite as, the packaging was not quite as nice as this, I think. We've got some flying keys on here, and then there's also a notepad that says Dumbledore's Army on it, and it says Happy Halloween. On the other side, we have, this says Open Last. And then we've got some Hufflepuff stickers as well. And then there's another note that says, what would I get if I added powdered root of asphodel to an infusion of wormwood? I don't know, sir. I really don't, I don't remember. All right, so now let's get into the box. Ooh, cool. This actually very nice. Aesthetically looks good. So there's little notes on all of them. This one here, this is cool. This is like a pen, and it says You're a Wizard, Harry on it, but it has like glasses and a lightning bolt. So, I mean, Halloween is already taken care of. That's my costume. I'm just kidding, I'm going as a Ghostbuster. So this is the one that says open first on it, right here. Very nice job with all the packaging. It's all very consistent and it's fun. A Hufflepuff sticker on this side and that side. And then we also have another flying key. The note on this says, push this button to proceed. Message from Snape. Information you need. Don't believe all you hear. All in good fun. Never fear. Okay, cool. This is a cool little box. Oh, and it says press button. Okay.
Oh, it's you, Wizardry Workshop. If I catch you or your little friend, the bearded barbarian, stealing items from my personal stores again, you both will be serving a week's detention with Mr. Filch cleaning up after Mrs. Norris. Oh, and while I'm at it, I will take 50 points from Hufflepuff for that silly smirk on your face, and bearded barbarian gets 50 points from Gryffindor for his blatant arrogance. Now get out of my sight.
Okay, so I guess that was a personal message from Snape. That's really cool. So it looks like he made this himself. That is really neat. That's cool. Okay, so let's continue. Wow, he put a lot of thought and effort into this already, and it's like the first box I've opened. And from there, it probably doesn't matter which one I open, so I'm just gonna go for this one. Again, it's decorated with stickers. It says Lumos on it, so I'm guessing this is the light up thing. It says, this burns and smells of fall. It can light a room big or small. October is the time it shines. Memories of my youth comes to mind. Okay, so I'm guessing this is a candle. Okay, this says wick and bar, spooky pumpkin. So there's a candle, and there's also another item in here. Before I open that though, let's check out the candle. I like the colors in there, that's cool. Oh yeah, definitely smells like fall. I like the smell of that, very pumpkin spicy. And then we have the 𝗕𝗏𝗿𝗃𝗃. Thank you for your purchase, a little something for you. Okay, so this is like a little extra, I'm guessing, from wherever the candle came from, maybe? Oh, nice, a little potion. So this has got to be like a little memory vial type thing. It does have some swirly liquid in it, and it says, Severus Snape, last memory, May 2nd, 1998. A little bonus potion. All right, next in the box, we'll go for these smaller boxes. I think I'm gonna save the larger things for like a little bit later. So let's just get out a couple of these. Oh, there are loose skulls in here too. Wow, they feel like, maybe they're resin, but they feel like they might even be like carved out of some type of stone. But yeah, those are actually pretty nice little skulls. This little box here says bonus on it, and this one says candy, meh. A game of chance you can play, time with friends or foes today, fun with all at the table, win each time if you are able. So candy, oh, I bet these are every flavor beans. That's what it's sounding like to me. Oh, actually, wow, that's not candy. It says candy on it. That's okay, I don't mind because I do like playing cards. I collect playing cards, actually. So these are like Slytherin or Death Eater playing cards, I guess. Let's see what they look like. Ooh, I like the backs of these. It comes with a nice tin too. We've got the Joker, which has the Elder Wand on it. These are pretty cool. The Jacks are Death Eaters. The Queens are Dementors. The King is the Dark Mark. Cool. I like these playing cards, thank you. Those will definitely get a lot of use. Now, do I open the bonus? I think I'll go ahead and open the bonus. It says, this item proves your first. Hufflepuff at Hogwarts seek leadership thirst. Sharp is the object, wearer beware. Congratulations for this honor. I'm out of my chair, okay? It says Hogwarts. Oh, cool. That's nicely packaged too, but this is a head boy pin, and it comes in this really cool gold foiled box. That's really nice, and it'll go well with my Hufflepuff robes. Just in case you weren't aware, the reason there are like Slytherin and Hufflepuff, a mix of those items in here, is because I am a Slitherpuff, so I've been sorted into both houses. Next up, we'll go for this big present right here. I have a feeling this is some kind of cup or mug. It's just a feeling. I could be wrong, but here we go. It says, Muggle artifacts are found inside. Custom objects are made. I tried. Estimated size and shape, the only items not owned by Snape. Oh wow, this is awesome. The note did not lie. This says Wizardry Workshop on it, so this is a custom-made tumbler, and it's got like a whole bunch of Hogwarts imagery on it. This is awesome. Yeah, oh, and it says look inside on top. The note right here, it says look inside. So inside, it looks like there is a t-shirt, so we'll take a look, but there's something else rattling around. Oh, some skulls. So we got some more little kind of resin, I guess, resin skulls. I'm gonna take a look at the shirt next. This has like different words relating to the books on it. So it says stone, chamber, prison, goblet, order, prince, and Hallows. And I love how these words have different like little icons in here in place of some of the letters. That's really cool. Let's go ahead and try this shirt on. Was this custom made too? I'm not sure. I think this may have been a custom made shirt as well. So there we go. That's actually a really nice fit, and it's super comfortable. I love this shirt, actually. This is probably a shirt that I'm gonna wear quite a lot. There's only a couple of boxes left in here, it looks like. So I'm just gonna take what's left out of here. So out of these two boxes, I have Halloween at Hogwarts and Magical Creature. I'm gonna go with the Magical Creature first. I wanna see what's in here. Snape is this item's master, acquired from the stores, close disaster. Use them carefully to grow your power. Handwork to make taken longer than an hour. Okay, so this sounds like it's going to be like something DIY related. The box says, Severus Snape, private stores. Oh, cool, and inside we've got some potion pages in here. They've been burnt at the edges, and they're just like, you know, little clippings. So we've got Dragon's Blood and Polyjuice Potion and the Draft of Living Death and stuff. So that's really cool. We've got some burlap. We've got some more of those skull stones, which I really like. I'm gonna have to find a use for these. This says fragile on it, so are these kind of like DIY potions? Let's see. There's definitely liquid in it. I can hear that. Whoa, okay, this is pretty neat. It looks like he DIY'd these potions actually. So we've got some nice swirls inside the liquid. This is Polyjuice Potion, not fit for Muggle consumption. I love that wax seal too. It's like a person's head, and then we've got a skeleton hand as the charm on here. This is really cool. I love the bottle too. The shape of the bottle is really good. And here's a better look at these magical swirls inside. The colors are nice. Here's another potion, the Draft of Living Death. Oh, okay, so this is gonna have Dragon's Blood in it too, because it has those different potion pages on here. So we've got Polyjuice Potion from here. The Draft of Living Death is here, and there is the label. The charm is a skull and crossbones. The wax seal is cool. We've got some green twine wrapped around it, and then a black wax seal with a silver skull and crossbones on it there. It does also have a magical kind of like shimmer to it in here, and that's also really cool colors. I like the colors of these potions. Very, very good handiwork on making those. And here is another one. So this one is probably going to be Dragon's Blood, which is related to magical creatures. Oh, yeah, that's nice. 100% pure dragon's blood. Oh, and it says ethereal apothecary on it. So I'm wondering, did he make these? Is that like his thing? I'm gonna have to look up ethereal apothecary, but then we've got a dragon for the charm with some beads here, some chains wrapped around this, all very dragon aesthetic. We've got a red dragon stamp on here, and it's got gold in it. And then, yeah, this is just a really nice looking potion. Here's a better look at this. These potions are like beautiful. I love these potions. I'm very impressed with how these are put together. The liquid in this one doesn't have a shimmer or anything, but it's thick, like actual blood. That's really cool. Very impressed by these potions. And they're all definitely going to be going straight onto my potion shelf right behind me. And last, we have the Halloween at Hogwarts package. So this is going to be some kind of decoration. It feels like it might be a throw blanket or a tapestry or something, because it's nice and soft. It could be that, who knows, we'll see. This tree grows at 12 Grimmauld Place, stolen with a spell and vanished without a trace. Keep this safe for you to hold, renowned in each stitch from new to old. If this is the Black family tapestry, I don't know what else would be at Grimmauld Place. That would be amazing. Yes, it is definitely a throw blanket, which you can also hang these up kind of like a tapestry as well. And it is the family tree. Oh, this is gonna be so cool. This is going to be impossible to get in the whole shot, but I'm gonna try. Check this out. This is like the coolest throw blanket I own. And it's really big. This is just perfect. I have one that is like one of the book illustrations of Harry Potter, and then I have another one that is the Marauder's map, but this one is just so, it's cool. This is the coolest one, for sure. Thank you so much. I can't believe, I was not expecting something this cool, so thank you. Not that I wasn't expecting cool stuff, just that's crazy. It even has like the burnt out faces on it. And I almost forgot this one last thing. So it says open last. There are things behind it that I have not seen yet, but we have Bearded Barbarian collectibles. This is a nice quality thing. Hey Wizardry Workshop, I hope you like the box I curated for you. Yes, I definitely did. I enjoyed learning about you throughout watching your channel. It was a lot of fun. Thanks for being part of the swap, Bearded Barbarian. That's cool. All right, and we got a couple of Bearded Barbarian stickers here. Ooh, we've got the Albus Dumbledore chocolate frog card and a Gilderoy Lockhart. Now, I do have a DIY on my channel to convert these specific cards into chocolate frog cards, like the shape and style and everything that you see in the movies. I wonder if that's why he sent these, possibly, but you know what? That's what's happening to these regardless. I mean, I loved everything, in particularly, of course, the Black family tapestry, the potions, the custom tumbler, I mean, the cards, everything. I mean, everything. It was so cool. Wow, just lots of cool stuff. This was so much fun. Thank you, Bearded Barbarian, for all the everything, just the thought, the time, effort you put into every single one of these things, writing all these rhymes, Snape's voice on a recording that I'm assuming was probably you in the recording. Thank you so much. I could not be happier right now. So happy Halloween to you, and thank you. I'm gonna go get some tea and probably curl up with my new throw blanket, and who knows, I'll just watch some Netflix. If you made it all the way to the end of the video with me, you are a wizard. Give it a thumbs up down below if you like this video, and subscribe if you're not subscribed for more magical unboxings, DIY projects primarily. Yeah, thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.